Are you a digital marketer and looking for an underutilized platform to reach a highly engaged audience? Look no further than Reddit. In this video, we will explore why Reddit is the best social media platform for digital marketers. Why Reddit is perfect for digital marketers. With over 430 million active users and thousands of niche communities, Reddit offers unparalleled opportunities to engage directly with your target audience. First, Reddit is home over 1 lakh subreddits, small communities centered around specific interests. This allows you to target your marketing efforts precisely. Next, highly engaged audience. Reddit users are known for their active participation. Upvoting, downvoting, and commenting means that the content you post get direct feedbacks and helping you refine your message. Unmatched content authenticity. Unlike other platforms, Reddit values authenticity. Marketers who post content that resonates with users rather than hard selling tend to gain trust and build meaningful connections. Effective ad targeting. With Reddit ads, you can target based on specific subreddits, interests, and even behavior. This precision makes it easier to reach the right audience. Reddit is a gold mine for digital marketers. From niche targeting to high engagement, Reddit is a gold mine for digital marketers. To start leveraging Reddit today, to take your digital marketing strategies to the next level. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for getting more informative videos. So see you next time.